Hello everyone, this is Santi from Essential Investments. I wanted to take a moment before the video began and thank you guys. I want to thank you for all your support on Instagram, YouTube, Discord. It means a lot to me that you guys like the content enough that you guys are liking, commenting, sharing with your friends. It's helping the channel grow and I appreciate it. As an added thank you for that, I have a completely free Discord server, which I'm going to link in the description below. And in the Discord server, I'm giving free stock callouts, free crypto alerts, free market updates. I'm giving this all of this information out for free. People can contact me regarding any questions, any stocks they have. So all of this is free for now. My team is currently working on an app/website for this, and it'll launch in I think 6 to 8 months. So once that launches, it would have a separate charge, but you would still get stock picks and stuff directly to your phone. So meanwhile all of that is getting set up, enjoy it for free. Like I mentioned, is in the description below, and keep sharing, keep subscribing, keep liking, as it's helping the channel grow. And without further ado, let's get to it. Alright, let's get to the video. So first things first, we have to begin with what an IPO is. An IPO, or an initial public offering, refers to the process of offering shares of a private corporation to the public in a new stock issuance. Public share issuance allows a company to raise capital from public investors. The transition from a private to a public company can be at an important time for private investors to fully realize gains from their investment, as it typically includes share premiums for current private investors. So, key takeaways. An initial public offering, an IPO, refers to the process of offering shares of a private corporation to the public in a new stock issuance. Companies must meet requirements by exchanges and the SEC to hold an IPO. IPOs provide companies with an opportunity to obtain capital by offering shares through the primary market. Companies hire investment banks to market, gauge demand, set the IPO price and date, and more. An IPO can be seen as an exit strategy for the company's founders and early investors, realizing the full profit from their private investment. Okay, let's get to the first IPO. So the first IPO is going to be called Coupang. So, South Korea's Coupang, which is backed by SoftBank Group, is targeting a blockbuster stock market debut that would value the e-commerce giant at well over $50 billion and make it the largest U.S. initial public offering this year. In a regulatory filing on Monday, Coupang said it would price its offering between $27 and $30 a share. At the upper end of that range, Coupang will raise as much as $3.6 billion. South Korea's e-commerce market was estimated to be worth $90.1 billion in 2020, an annual growth of 22.3%, and is expected to reach $141.8 billion in 2024 at a compound annual growth rate of 12%, data analytics company Global Data has said. So, the key points of this. In a regulatory filing on Monday, Coupang said it would price its offering between $27 and $30 a share. At the upper end of that range, Coupang will raise as much as $3.6 billion. The IPO would also mark a major win for SoftBank's $100 billion Vision Fund, furthering a turnaround that has seen the fund swing rapidly from huge losses to record profit. Okay, so I've been getting a lot of messages regarding this one. It's kind of funny. I used to play Roblox when I was younger, so it caught me off guard that they were gonna go public, and I'm kind of excited for it because I do see potential in this company. So Roblox, they are going to be listed on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol is going to be RBLX. Roblox is an online gaming platform created in 2004. It allows users to design and create multiplayer games and share them with friends and other users. Roblox offers a free-to-play multiplayer program supported through in-game purchases using Robux, the platform's digital currency. Today, Roblox has more than 160 million active users, and more than 50% of kids in the US under the age of 16 play the game. When is the Roblox IPO date? Roblox amended its documents to postpone its IPO to February 2021 from last quarter, then recently filed an additional amendment pushing the IPO date to March 2021. Roblox recently announced that its revenues in the first 3 quarters of 2020 reached $613.9 million, more than $25 million than the company's previous estimate of $588.7 million. The company also revised its net losses from the same period from $213.3 million to $194.5 million. The company saw an annual revenue bump of more than 70% when compared to September 2019. Roblox's potential. The gaming industry has been one of the winners of the onset of the COVID-19 pandemic, with video game sales and stocks outpacing the market at large. Roblox's influence over its younger players also doesn't end online. Roblox has consistently held its position as one of the top grossing apps on both the Apple and Google App Stores. And last but not least, we're going to be talking about Coinbase. This is a big one. I've been waiting. I've personally been waiting for this one. I don't know how long. I've been waiting for this IPO to go, and also Robinhood. The rest I didn't talk about too much because I do not know about the companies, and I prefer not to speak about something I don't know. I'm just giving the information as to what the IPOs are, what they're launching as, what they're pricing at. But I don't invest into anything I don't know. That's just one of my rules. So this one I'm excited about. So Coinbase IPO. It's no secret that cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase has filed for a direct listing, not an initial public offering to bring shares to the public market. So, from its filing, the company's shares will trade under the ticker Coin on the Nasdaq. Now, no official date of the listing is available, but the company has already attracted a lot of attention. In fact, the company's shares have traded on the Nasdaq private market. Unfortunately, this is not generally accessible on retail trading platforms. So, Coinbase has just released a prospectus that has Wall Street revaluing the valuation. The trading activities on Nasdaq private market indicated a value as high as $77 billion within the past week. That's about $300 per share, which is up roughly 33% from the private market IPO, and now the value is edging upwards of $100 billion. Meanwhile, tokens of the Coinbase USD tokenized shares are trading for $400 in crypto exchanges. Coinbase has millions of verified users on its platform. If anyone has been in the crypto space in the early stage, you might have come across exchanges giving out free altcoins to induce more investors to trade on their platform. For those unfamiliar, altcoins refer to alternatives to Bitcoin. They are cryptocurrencies that utilize the blockchain technology which allows secure peer-to-peer transactions. The reason for such giveaways is to attract more investors to trade on their platform. That would lead to increased revenue from a surge in trading activities. Coinbase, however, had 43 million verified users on its platform as of December 31st, 2020. Coinbase had 2.8 million monthly transaction users. That compares to 13,000 users back in 2012. The company has seen its user base explode over the years, and its cryptocurrency continues to gain interest from retail investors and institutional investors. All told, the company has handled transactions worth $456 billion over its lifespan as a company. So I'm going to talk a little bit about Coinbase. This is just my personal opinion regarding Coinbase. As mentioned prior, I have been super excited for Coinbase. I traded myself through Coinbase. I use Coinbase for my own crypto investments, and honestly, I love it. I've been waiting for this IPO to come out forever, and I'm super excited. And honestly, I'm expecting the crypto market as a whole to explode in the next 10 years or so. I'm one of the firm believers that by 2025 that we can see Bitcoin hitting 500,000 easily. I see Ethereum going over a $10,000 mark by then. I see the potential crypto has, especially since it's getting integrated into Tesla, as we just recently saw. We're seeing it getting integrated into MasterCard, PayPal. Apple just signed a deal with BitPay so that you can start sending Apple Pay to you can start sending Bitcoin through Apple Pay. So I'm definitely seeing a lot more pool during that heading towards the cryptocurrency direction. So this is definitely a stock I would stock up on myself. I'm not advising you as to do so, but this is something I've been excited for. But with that, I thank you guys, and I hope you guys learned a little something and you got a little bit more information regarding IPOs, and I'll see you guys. Thank you guys for sticking to the end of the video. As mentioned prior, the Discord link is in the description below. Make sure to click it and just get access to the free stocks. Is it's free. Why not? So make sure to click that link, and also make sure to follow me on Instagram. I am always posting any moves I'm making regarding business, investments, stocks, cryptos, forex, anything regarding that. I'm always posting on there. So make sure to follow us. And besides that, I'll see you guys in the next episode of Essential Investments.